Hey y'all, it's Dejanay. I wanted to show you guys some products that I've been using that have helped me successfully whiten my teeth. No one's actually ever complimented me on my teeth until recently, so I figured whatever it is that I've been trying has been working. So let me go ahead and show you what these products are. I have Trader Joe's organic virgin coconut oil. I have some Arm & Hammer baking soda. And then last, I have some Good Sense high-tech flossers, the mint flavor. These are my absolute favorite. And I think it's because the floss is actually as thin as the pull-away floss. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a tutorial that shows you how I've used these products that have successfully given me a white smile. I do this about 2 to 3 times out of the week, but let me go ahead and give you a look at my teeth. And don't come for me, I know they are not the straightest. Here I am dipping the toothbrush in the coconut oil and then dipping it in the baking soda. And then I brush my teeth as normal for 2 minutes. When I am done with this process, I spit in the toilet and not the sink to prevent it clogging. I follow up with flossing my teeth as normal. I floss the top and then I floss the bottom. Rinse your teeth with cold water, and then I follow up with normal toothpaste where I brush my teeth here for about 2 minutes. And if you notice, I'm using 2 separate toothbrushes for this process. I highly recommend. And then here is the finished product showing you my pearly whites. Here's a close-up. All right, thank you for watching that tutorial. I hope it is something that you can go ahead and mix in to your schedule when you get ready to brush your teeth. Hopefully you get better results than me. Of course, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.